In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube channel. So first, go to youtube.com. When you go to youtube.com, if this is the first time you're using it as your teacher account, it may prompt you to, or may ask you, what do you want to use YouTube as? You want to use it as a channel. So go ahead and create channel. Once you've done that, in the left-hand column, go ahead and click My Channel. And you'll get this generic dashboard. And the first thing you want to do is you want to change your settings. So go ahead and click on the gear icon. And you want to change your privacy to public. Right? So if it's on, that means it's private. If it's off, now it's public. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to customize the layout of your channel. And then go ahead and click Save. So now you have the ability to customize your layout of your dashboard. So down here at the bottom, you'll see Add Section. So a section is, for a teacher, would be like the different classes that you teach. So if I taught algebra and geometry, I would have two sections, one titled algebra, one titled geometry. And within these sections, you would have these things called playlists. So a playlist would be all of the chapters within algebra or all the chapters within geometry. So if I'm teaching algebra, one of the playlists might be factoring. Another playlist might be polynomials. So in YouTube, you actually have to create your playlist first before you can create your sections. So I'm going to go ahead and click Playlists. I'm going to click on New Playlist. And I'm going to title this playlist Google Classroom. You can set it to public, unlisted, or private. I like to leave mine public. And then go ahead and create. So now the playlist has been created. The next thing you want to do is you want to click the share button. When you click on the share button, a URL will appear. You want to copy this, Control-C, copy the URL, and then go ahead and go back to My Channel. Now you want to add a section. So add a section. Under Content, you want to select Multiple Playlists because you're going to put multiple playlists within each section. And then you're going to add playlist. So first thing you want to do is you want to give your section a title. Again, this is where if you're teaching different classes, it would be algebra or geometry or whatever different classes you teach. In this case, I'm just going to type in Professional Development. And then it says enter the URL, right? So, or find a playlist. But since you Control-C or copy the URL from your previous playlist titled Google Classroom, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it, Control-V. And then I'm going to click Add. And there's the playlist Google Classroom. And then I'm going to click Done. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on Done. All right, so if you notice, right, you only see professional development, but you don't see my playlist. And the reason why you do not see the playlist yet is because you have not added a video to that particular playlist. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add a video. I'm going to go up to Upload. And I'm going to select the file. In this case, my file happens to be on my computer desktop. I'm going to select the video that I just created, how to use Google Classroom. So now it's uploading. First thing I want to do is I want to add it to a playlist, and this helps you keep things organized. So the only playlist that I've created is Google Classroom. So I'm going to check on the Google Classroom box. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. Okay. So once the video is done processing, this URL here will become live. Okay, so now that the video is almost done being published, if I go back to the three bars and click on My Channel, the dashboard of My Channel will now have the videos that I just uploaded. So if I scroll down and look at my sections, my section under Professional Development, I will notice that the playlist now, Google Classroom, appears because I have uploaded one video into that playlist. So if you want to add another section, again, the first thing you would want to do is you want to create the playlist for that section. And then once you've created the playlist for that section, then you'll be able to go ahead and add a section and add your playlist within that section. And this is how you create a YouTube channel, sections within the channel, and playlists within each section.